to go to work. Let's put my alarm. Oh! Alright, that is not fun. So I had to get ready. Wait, what's the time? I don't wake up. Uh-oh. Bed. Alright, I will do it later. Alright, the first thing. Oh, wait, what's that? I thought it was 6:59. Oh, it's 5:59. I got a lot of time. It's so nice. I wish sometime I could have a little day in the spa, but I do not have any time at all. Just wish. That's the one thing I want. Well, I think I might have one day for the day when I'm off. Wow. Let's just watch some TV. Big fashion show is ended. I hope Barbie comes back soon. I'm gonna fashion show on free floor. Are you joking? Come on. I'm making a selfie today. That is a good selfie. Well, I have to get my clothes on. But I'm going to get my shower done. But I'm coming back with my breakfast on in a minute. Alright. Well, that was a really good breakfast. Well, I had to get my clothes. I made them yesterday for work. My 2 shoes. Alright, my clothes. Well, I'm leaving this hairstyle because I love it. Let's take my clothes off. I think I might go to my bathroom. I have a bed. Alright, I'm going to sing here. Okay, they're over there. Oh, I was in the middle of the song. Come on. Well, it doesn't matter about the song. It matters about money in work. Wait, what's the time? Oh, I still got like about half an hour. It takes me only 10 minutes to go. Just work. Alright, I'm gonna take some music on. I can't wait for this busy love. Well, I think I have to go to work now. Cup of water really quickly. George! Yeah. Nie mogę teraz.
Dobra.
Okay, my bag and I'm going. I hope I didn't forget anything. If I did, go in the comments down below. She forgot this. Remember? And her paper and her camera and many other things. she forgot to put her dirty clothes in the basket. Hi guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to always hit the like button and hit on the notification bell to see more of a fantastic videos. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. And remember to see what Barbie forgot to take to work. And remember, send me fun mail on my address, which is in the description down below in my YouTube channel description. Well, bye guys.